Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix audio cracking in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your audio is cracking, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to press start button and here just search for device manager, and now in device manager you just have to try to update your audio driver. So here the audio input and output, double click on it to expand it. This will let your speakers, right click on it and then click on update driver. Now here select search automatically for drivers. So it will search automatically if there will be any pending update available for this. It will be downloaded and installed on your PC. So after this you might not get that issue again. Now, if it still not work for you, you just have to click on the start button again and then just search for powercfg.cpl. Just search for this. It will open in your control panel. And from here, you just have to change your power plan if you're on balance. So you have to select ultimate performance or like high performance, or if you are on high performance or ultimate performance, select balance from here. So after that, your issue might have to be fixed. Or if it still not work for you, you just have to press the window button again and then search for mmsys.cpl. Just search for this, open this. It will again open in your control panel. And here you must see your sound output. You must have to select your speakers, right click on it, go to properties, and properties, go to advanced. And here just click on this and you just have to change this from here and then you can test for this. So once you have to check which one is best for you. Once you have selected this, select apply, then click OK, then OK again. So it will completely fix your issue. So after doing that, I recommend you have to make a restart with your PC, and after restarting, you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.